What's up? This is John Boy from John Boy Custom Rods. I'm back. I'm turning one of my grips that I'm doing a little flame design in, trying to make it look like camouflage. Trying to just working on my patterns. But I'm gonna turn this one down, hit it with the knife on the lathe first, and then sand it, and then trim the ends flat. So let's get to it. Alright, now we got them in a circular pattern with the blade. Now we'll hit it with the 60 grit sandpaper and smooth it on out. Take it down to a size that we can work with later on when we find a rod we want to put them on. I do that a lot. I build grips before I build rods. It's funner building grips. That was pretty good. Just even up the ends now with a razor blade. Take them off. I have to do that inside one a little more. Sand that one a little bit. Even that one out. A little wavy, but they look good. Ready for end caps or whatever I want to use them for. There we go. See y'all on the flip side.